How to delete a page in OneNote. It's very easy, very simple. Now, I'm going to show you multiple ways to do this. One way is this, right? You just come here and, just click on this and then click on the delete option on your keyboard. There you go, it's deleted. Another option, just click on this and then you can press on this button right here to delete, okay? Deleted the page. Another option, and this is the best way. You just right click here and click on delete. So you delete that whole page. And what I love about this option, right? The page here is gone completely. Okay. So those are the multiple ways. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this helped.